Today I'm going to talk about developing a bank that is loved by the customers. Before we start, a brief introduction about myself. My name is Mohit, and I work as a solution architect with Zevia. And I love developing products. Sorry for that. I've worked with a lot of major banks within India and abroad. Sorry, I'm getting a repeated call. I might have to pick it. Hello. Yes, Mohit here. No, I don't need your credit card. I already have a credit card. No, I don't want a personal loan as well. No, I don't need that. Thank you. Please delete my number. Don't call me. So I got a call from a bank, which unfortunately I hold my salary account with. And I keep on getting calls, repeated calls from them again and again, asking me to take another credit card, while their own policy says that I cannot hold more than one credit card from their own account. And the guy just offered me a loan which is less than my monthly average that is in my salary. So that's the root cause of this problem is that the different silos in the bank are disconnected. They don't talk to each other. What they see is there are different departments in the bank. There's a credit card department, there's a savings account department, there are loans and various other things, right? And they're competing with each other to get the revenue, which means that they do not share the data with each other. The impact is that their data is stayed within their own silos. What happens then? The customer is getting frustrated. The example what we just saw, the bank is investing money to onboard the customer, but the impact is the opposite, right? They're calling a person who does not need their services, while they have all the data to identify if the person can be onboarded or not. If I have to design the same bank myself, or the redesigning of the bank's architecture, what I would do as the first thing is I would basically create a 360-degree platform for the customers. So the customer will be at the center of the whole operations. And as it is popularly said, that customer is always at the center of your business. And then we need to provide services according to the customer. The customer will have a single profile. The documents that we keep on asking for, the Aadhaar card, PAN card, and all the other things are centralized. And whenever a customer care executive calls the person, he just have to search with one of those IDs and identify who the person he's talking to is. This will help in enabling the customized offer, personalized offer for the customer. It will result in better sales. It will be resulting in lower fraud rates, because now you have a unified profile. A customer cannot come again and again to your bank for getting to different services and then moving away. You know who the person is. This will also result in doing a lot of analytics, and you can provide services and products which would be taken by the customer. To develop that kind of a system, we need data. We want to understand the customer's behavior. We want to build products that are more meaningful for them. And hence, we are going to need a data. This data that we will have, we'll use this to provide localized solutions for the customer. We'll be able to personalization. So a Punjabi guy would actually see the app in the Punjabi, and the same app would be viewed by a Marathi guy in Marathi, right? We'll use the localized dialects to cater to the local needs. We can actually have real personalized. So on the person's level, we can define what offers can we give him, and we'll not waste time and our resources in doing sales which are not at all going to have sale. This will also reduce a lot of mental pressure on their own employees. If a person calls a customer or a prospective customer who is frustrated, he'll shout back on the customer care executive, and then his motivation would go down. So we need to take care of our employees as well, and we need to provide mental well-being for them as well. Customers need to know, as a bank, we are more aware about how a customer should invest to grow his money, right? And that knowledge we should be able to transfer to the customer because he should be at the center of the whole infrastructure that we are building. It will also reduce ease of operations. So it will managing and moving data is going to be easy. I would like to close my talk with one point, that is the data is the new oil. We need to consolidate the data, understand customers' behavior, and then build a program for the customers which they would love. So yeah, that finishes up my time. I'm open for discussions. Thank you.